guys, Far here and you're watching Filipino VA Guides VA Tip of the Day. And today's VA tip is... Now, when I started working online as a VA back in 2011, nag-umpisa talaga ako with a VA agency. For some reason, nahanap lang nila ako, maybe because syempre, baguhan pa ako at that time, so they hired me to work with them. Now, one of the benefits that you get out of working with an agency is that you work with a team. Hindi lang ikaw nag-iisa, which is very maganda, especially kung baguhan ka pa sa ganitong klaseng trabaho. Now, the second benefit of working with a virtual assistant agency is that you actually don't have to look for clients because the agency have their own. So if you're a new VA and you're still testing the waters and you're not really that confident, working with a virtual assistant agency is for you. Now, the third benefit of working with a virtual assistant agency is that you learn from others. Kasi since there are several virtual assistants working in one agency, you actually get tips and techniques from them. So it's even easier to learn new apps, new software, new strategies and techniques, new ways on how to promote a client's social media account, etc. You name it, the agency have it. Okay, so these are just the 3 simple benefits that you get out of working with a virtual assistant agency. Now, if you like watching these videos, don't forget to subscribe here in our YouTube channel or join us in our Facebook group, only here at Filipino VA Guides.